Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is our PT10E2S 10-inch floor standing planer thicknesser, which features a spiral cutter block and a 3 horsepower motor. At the heart of the machine is a spiral cutter block with 2 rows of 12 TCT cutters, arranged so they cut in a shearing action rather than straight. This type of cutter block is more expensive than a conventional setup, but does offer several advantages. 1. The shearing cut gives a much smoother finish in softwood, hardwood and difficult grey. 2. A much lower sound level by up to 50%, as each blade is moving less air and taking a smaller cut. 3. More knives reduces energy consumption by up to 30%. 4. No blade setup. Tungsten carbide cutters last up to 10 times longer compared to high-speed steel and can be rotated when worn. Changing cutters is very simple and requires no setting up, as they are simply screwed onto the precision machined cutter block, saving time. The planing beds are precision ground cast iron and are 254mm wide by 1125mm long. When in planing mode, the dust hose is connected to the dust hood underneath the bed. When planing, the depth adjustment is made using the cam action lever at the end of the planing beds. You can plane up to 3mm at a time on soft wood. The fence can be tilted from 90 degrees to 45 degrees to allow chamfer cuts. Changing from planing to thicknessing is simple. You do not need to remove the fence. You simply release the 2 table locks and lift the beds up to the vertical position. The dust hood is then rolled over the top of the cutter block. The thicknessing bed is adjusted using the hand wheel and has a micro-adjust scale for accurate measurements. It can take timber up to 225mm in depth by 254mm wide. For thicknessing, there is a lever to engage the feed rollers. The infeed roller is metal serrated and the outfeed roller is rubber coated. The feed rollers pass the timber through the high-speed cutter block, leaving a beautiful finish with no roller marks. You can thickness up to 3mm each pass on soft wood.